All right, can you give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment in the comment section below? I appreciate it tremendously. Today I am in a 2018 Ford F-150 and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this vehicle. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel, as you can see. I'm going to look down towards the pedals, and there I'm going to look down towards where my left foot is. I'm going to open the door, all right, and then you see this right here, this lever right here. This is how you open up the hood. I'm going to take it, pull it back until I hear a pop, and then I'm going to walk out into the front of the vehicle. All right, I'm going to walk out into the front of the vehicle. All right, and I'm going to look up underneath the hood a little bit, and there is a lever. All right, there is a lever in here. You just have to find it. Where's it at? Where's it at? It's down at the bottom. You see this? I'm going to pull it to the left and then raise the hood up like that, and that's how you open the hood. This is the lever right here that you have to push over right there, and the hood opens up just like that. Give me a thumbs up.